Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the old unit, safety first, so put on goggles and gloves. Use a utility knife to score paint and caulk, then pry off the interior stops. Work one side at a time. Once stops are off, lift the sash out or unscrew any remaining fasteners with a drill. Make sure to clear loose debris and old shims so the opening is flat. This prevents an uneven install later. You're setting a clean, square starting point. Measure again to confirm dimensions before moving on. Next, prepare the rough opening and the new window. Clean the sill, then lay a 1/4 bead of exterior-grade sealant where the frame will contact. Place the window into the opening with help. Hold it from the center while you set it down so the weight distributes evenly. Once seated, insert shims at the bottom corners and mid-sides to maintain 1/8 gaps. These allow for expansion and caulking. Then check level and square at all 4 corners, and drive temporary fasteners to hold position while you fine-tune. To finish, fasten the window permanently following the manufacturer pattern. Start at the corners, then add screws at midpoints. Avoid over-tightening, which can bow the frame. Once anchored, fill perimeter gaps with low-expansion spray foam, allow it to cure fully, then trim flush. Next, apply continuous exterior caulk along the frame to prevent water intrusion and reinstall interior stops or trim. Finally, operate the sash several times to confirm smooth movement and sealing. If it binds, check shims and tweak fasteners. That one fix solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.